Hi, my dear friend and customer. And today, I want to introduce you guys the latest and the best hair removal system, hair removal machine, sopranos. And now for this video, I will show you guys the parts, the accessory for the machine, and how to make the installation about the machines before you do the operation, and how to add the water. So firstly, we'll show you, and the parts for the machine will come with together with the package, and it will come with two handle pieces, and two handle pieces for different size of the treatment, small size, middle size, and small size, and the big size for two handle pieces. And of course, they will come with this is for the handle holder, and the gaggle and the cutters for treatment, and the funnel for fill the water for the cooling system. And of course, they will come with the full switch for the operation. The machine, it can use the full switch to do operation. Of course, it can do the operation, just press the button on the handle pieces. Okay. So first step, we make the installation for the handle pieces. The first step is you need to add and the handle pieces. The handle holder will come with the squeak for both different size. You have to find the right size. So now we can show the video. And the left side and the right side is the same. You just find the right holder on the machine before you do the installation. And after you fix the holder for the handle pieces, and then we can connect the handle. And handle 1 and 2, you have to put the right side. So firstly, open the cover. This for two connectors for the handle pieces. Right side and the left side is the same. You need just to put the holder, the silver color handle pieces. You put it to the right side. The silver color for the right side, and then this is a connector. You need to match the pin, and this is the screw. Just turn the screw to fit it. So I will show you. You will see this is a screw, and then you need to turn the screw. Turn the screw to face it. Turn to around 3 o'clock signal. You can see. Turn to the around 3 o'clock size to fix the handle. This first step for the silver handle. And the gold color handle is the same thing. The same thing. Put the handle holder on the machine first. And then the same thing. You will see the pin that is a screw type to fix the handle to the machine. So it's the same thing. Find the right side. Around 3 o'clock side. And then you will see it is very fixed. Have to complete it to connect the handle for the machine. So this is for the two handles. And after that, the third step that is to fill the water for cooling system. Fill the water for cooling system. So you can cover back the cover for the handle pieces. Okay. And then the next step, we need to add the water before we turn it on. So now we add water. This is the most important step before you turn on the machine. You will see this injection hole, and overflow hole. If you want to add the water, you just use the funnel, and connect to the injection hole. And then you turn off the cover, turn off the script for the overflow hole. And when you add the water, you will see now the water is full because I already added before. You just add water from the funnel until there's water coming out. You will see the water coming out. Then you cover back. It's because the machine is coming with a strong cooling system, wind cooling, and it's a cold water, and it's a TEC. And of course, it's coming with the sapphire for the best cooling system. So this is the step for add water, funnel, add water until it's coming out from water. And after that, remove the handle pieces. And this is a step for add water before you turn on the machine to do the operation. And have to cover back to overflow. And after that, you connect the power cord. And one more last thing. This is the main switch for you to turn on the machine before you do operation. This is the main switch. Have to turn it on. Turn it on. You want to do the operation. And of course, one more thing. If you want to use the full switch to do operation, because the machine it can use full switch, of course, you can use the handle pieces to operate. It depends. So if you want to connect the full switch, you just there's a two sides for connect this full switch to do the operation. Two handles. It can control the system individually. So you can use one handle one or use handle two. Of course, you can use two handles at the same time. So this is the step before you turn on the machine. And in the next video, we will show you guys how to do the operation or what you need to pay attention before you do the operation and so on. Okay.